How can you see or download the information about you from chats with AIs from Meta? First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Hit the hamburger icon at the top right to access the settings. Under your account section, click on Account Center. Now, select your information and permissions in the account settings. After selecting, press the Export Your Information option. Next, tap on the Create Export button. Choose Export to Device. Then, click on the Customize Information option. In this page, unselect all options except AI under your Instagram activity. After that, hit the Save button at the bottom. Finally, press the Start Export button. After the export is ready, you will be notified via email. You can then download and extract the zip to see your information. This is how you can see or download the information about you from chats with AIs from Meta.